Thank you for tuning in. This is a short video about how to use Volare on Avalanche Fuji network. Our product is now running a test version on Avalanche Fuji testnets. To give a trial on our product, enter fuji.volare.lo on your browser. Here, we recommend Chrome and MetaMask as a combination of browser and Web3 wallet. Also, you can use the core wallet from Avalanche. This is the main user interface of our product. Today, we will majorly cover the option part. As you can see, on the top area, there's a overall top level navigation bar. And on the left hand side here, we have a option dedicated navigation area. It is the entrance of several features that we might need. And on the right hand side here is our main option area. First, let's connect the wallet. To connect the wallet, you will need to click the little button on the top right here. Click Next and Connect. Now, the address of a wallet will be shown in the button, and you can check your balance of your wallet here. Then, select an option. On this panel here, we have a lot of information. For example, like the symbol of the option that we are trading, and the real-time market price from the major DEX or SEX. We can choose the expiration date from the list, or switch call and put from the tab. The blue one means in the money options. And if you click it, you can see the quick view on the right. Contains some useful data to help you better understand the current option that you're trading. As you can see, there's some information from the smart contract that you can interact with, and the contract address is even clickable. If you click it, it will redirect to the external blockchain explorer. Now, we can hit Trade to get to the trade page. This is the trade page. As you can see, this page contains a lot of information. To get started, on the left-hand side here, we have a info window. It contains the symbol of our currently trading option and some helpful information you would like to know. On the right-hand side here is the order book. And there's a switch. You can switch to order history if you like. And if you want to buy, sell, or short options, you will have to proceed in this operation area. It contains a lot of elements. For example, you can input limit price and size here and click the action button to buy or sell or short your options. You can start with click the order book price on the left-hand side of order area there, like this. Then input the price. After checking all the figures right, you can proceed with pushing the buy button. Then it will invoke the MetaMask or any wallet you install on your browser. Confirm. Then boom, you have an open order listed under this history area. The order book is real-time updated. So the flashing light you see is actually the order at a certain price being updated. And as you can see in the field area in the history view, the order you just opened, it is being constantly filled. Okay, now the order has been completed. You can see the steps of the orders that have been filled into your order, which is awesome. As you can see here, although the selected price is 47, but actually because there's lower price in the ask orders, so actually all of your orders is bought with 44. Now let's try to sell some stuff. Now, of course, I want to sell all my options in the highest possible price. So let's sell it with 37. Let's select the half. Actually, you can slide the sliders and click sell. The wallet pop up. Because this is the first time you ever let a contract to operate your V tokens, which is the option, so you will have to grant the permission and then sign the message. Actually, you can see your orders is real time being added to the ask orders. And just like before, if you switch to the open orders, you can see that your order has been filled little by little. But this time, we don't want to wait. Let's just skip. And sometimes when the V token is empty, which is pretty rare, you will have to create some V tokens from vein. V token stands for the option that you're trading. And with this opened window, you can see that the collateral rate of our options right now is 100%. So you input 10, then you will actually put 10 W ethers, wrapped ethers, into the short option and open up the wallet, confirm. Okay, now you have send and options, and you can see a little spinner here to tell you that you're currently minting 10 WETH, creating 10 V tokens, and click, you will redirect to the blockchain explorer, and that's about it. Now the V token balance, you have the total position of your current options has been raised. And after you finish trading, you might want to check your positions. We have a dedicated page for you to check all the positions you have on your account. As you can see, there's 4 main categories, and each category stands for a certain part of all of your positions. For example, the current position that we are checking right now is the long and not expired position. And each card of those 4 categories are clickable. And within those cards, there's 2 subcategories. For example, now, if you want to check the profit not redeemed positions, and here we have 1 profit not redeemed position. The subcategory is especially useful when you have a lot of positions on your account. Also, if you're really good with the blockchain, or you want to get a better understanding of how our product works, you can check the history. This is the history page. This page is basically just a blockchain records specifically optimized for our product. You can see each transactions, when were they happens, and what options were you interacted with, and the action that you took. Also, you can check the V token change here, which is important for the traders, especially if you want to track where your money goes. And you can even redirect to the blockchain explorer, which is pretty cool. Now you have learned all the skills you need to trade on Volare. Because this is an innovative product and it's still in test version, so it might contain problems that affect you to use, and we are keeping optimize that. We are welcome for all test users to give us feedback about a product to help to make it better, and we hope that this option product can really help you to establish a stronger portfolio of your digital assets. Please have fun with the product and keep contacts. Thank you.